Here's one for the Everly brothers. I'll never let you see the way my heart is hurting me. I've got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you, so only heartaches remain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Teardrops falling from heaven could never take away my misery. But since we're not together, I'll look for stormy weather to hide the tears I hope you'll never see. Someday, when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. Crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.